Oman was struck by extreme weather that triggered heavy rains, storms, and flash floods across several regions. Transforming desert landscapes into sudden seas. In recent videos, the phenomenon has been described as Oman underwater, highlighting rainfall levels equivalent to 2 years' worth in a single brief event. The weather began raising alarms on the 7th of August, when torrential rain and strong winds swept through areas including around Muscat, flooding streets, paralyzing traffic, and toppling large trees. Social media photos showed areas such as Muscat and Sur submerged in water. Some of the hardest hit areas were North al-Sharqiyah, including al-Mudahaibi, Dima, and at Tayyin, al-Dhahirah, as well as coastal cities like Sur and parts of Muscat, which reported widespread flooding and overflowing wadis. Local valleys suddenly swelled, becoming the main source of destructive flash floods. Media reports stated that dozens of people were rescued by authorities. Some sources reported dozens of fatalities, including incidents where vehicles such as a school bus were swept away during the storm's peak, and several people remain missing as search operations continue. Road infrastructure, low-lying homes, and local transport networks sustained damage and disruption. The brief but extreme rainfall in desert and semi-desert areas caused wadis, normally dry riverbeds, to overflow dangerously, with water rushing rapidly through narrow valleys. Experts note that global warming is intensifying rainstorms in the region, making such events more extreme than historical patterns. The 7th of August 10 disaster demonstrated how quickly wadi conditions can shift from dry to deadly in mere hours. A combination of swift action by police and rescue teams, along with improved infrastructure mitigation and early warning systems, is crucial to reducing casualties in the future.